Good afternoon, gentlemen. Good afternoon, Excellency. How are you? Fine, sir. No. We're having lunch, actually. At the recently concluded PDP primary election and the emergence as our party's flag bearer in the upcoming presidential election. This can only be described as divine intervention, for which we give God all the glory. It also goes a long way to show the high level of confidence reposed on Your Excellency by Nigerians to pull us out of the present socio-economic situation that the nation has found itself. We, the League of Igbo Entrepreneurs, are thankful to God for the renewed hopes and opportunity to rescue Nigeria. We believe strongly that a new Nigeria is possible under your leadership. League of Igbo Entrepreneurs was formed in 2018 by young and upwardly mobile entrepreneurs of Igbo extraction to partner with governments in formulation and implementation of favorable policies for sustainable wealth creation among businesses and to foster overall economic growth and development of small and medium enterprises in Nigeria. Shortly after your emergence, Your Excellency, the leadership of our association met to analyze the overall political landscape and the emerging dynamics with respect to the presidency come 2023. After critical and unbiased interrogation of the various positions, we reached a decision to back your candidacy, as it presents the best option for us as an organization and for Nigeria as a country. Our decision was largely informed by the fact that you possess a rich business and entrepreneurial background which perfectly aligns with our goals and objectives. Nigeria at this point is in dire need of a president that is vastly exposed in the area of trade, industry, and entrepreneurship, which is critical in developing economics and to address even the insecurity in the country. Your highly decentralized nature and deep alliances across the major tribes in Nigeria positions you as a true and authentic unifier our nation needs at this point. Above all, you are unarguably the most exposed, urban, and business-friendly candidate. Your experience in governance at the highest level in Nigeria as the Vice President under President Obasanjo clearly sets you apart from other contenders for the same position and leaves us with no option but to fully align with you to rescue this country. It is for these and other reasons, too numerous to mention, that our organization decided to back your candidacy, as we believe that the aims and objectives of our association, and indeed Nigeria as a whole, will be better served by your presidency. We do take cognizance of the huge costs and resources required for a presidential campaign of this nature, considering the 8-month gap between campaigns and election. To this end, we are therefore pledging to support substantially in material and logistics required for the general election campaigns. Your Excellency, it is on record that you have continued to accord Igbos great love and respect, evident in your previous choices of vice presidential running mates, the last being His Excellency Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State. A strategic gesture we remember and hold very dearly. It is our hope that Your Excellency will again grant favorable consideration towards a credible candidate from the Southeast, as it will help to provide succor and calm to restive blocks within that region. Finally, Your Excellency, we would like to further request the press to excuse us for a few minutes after your response so that we can give you further terms and proposed actions of our association. Thank you, sir. That I am actually surprised, with this message of support this very early in our transition. But again, having listened to the address delivered, there is nothing surprising there. Yes, it is true. I have tried in previous occasions to integrate not only the Igbos but the rest of the country together in any government I thought I could form. And I still believe in incorporating all parts of this country. And that was why I made unity one of the 5 key objectives of my administration if I'm given the opportunity. That is to give every part of this country a sense of belonging. And that's why I made unity as my #1 objective. Nobody should be left by the side. So I want to thank you very much indeed for this visit. And I want to assure you I will commit to my beliefs if given the opportunity. And of course, as you said about entrepreneurship, is something that I hold very dearly because I consider myself also as an entrepreneur. That is why when I established my university, I made entrepreneurship a compulsory subject course for every candidate, no matter what you are studying. Wow. Entrepreneurship is compulsory. So that's why you find that most of our graduates, when they pass out, they set up their own businesses. Because whether you are a doctor, whether you are an engineer, whether you are ICT, whatever you study, whether you are even law, whatever you are studying in the American University of Nigeria, entrepreneurship is a compulsory subject. This is because I want to turn out entrepreneurs, not job seekers. Right. Because I believe that is what drives the economy. Yeah. So I am a very, very staunch believer in that. So, and I hope and look forward to working with you actually to really implement that on a much more national scale so that we can review our schools' curriculum and see how, we can really produce productive, graduates at any level. So I want to thank you very much indeed for this visit, and I appreciate this pledge of support, and I look forward to working with you very, very closely when the campaigns start, so that we will work together to ensure the success of the PDP, right. Because I don't see any option for Nigerians other than the PDP, because yes, they wanted to see an alternative, or they wanted to see a change, and they voted for a change, and they have seen what the change has brought to Nigerians. So I believe Nigerians will now know that the PDP is a much better party for them, because we did incredibly well between 1999 and 2015. The economy of this country grew substantially and became, the largest or biggest economy in Africa. We had our jobs rating very high, and so on and so forth. All our economic indices were, progressing very, very rapidly until the APC took over and then plunged everything down. So I hope Nigerians will give us the opportunity to return to government again so that we can rescue the country and bring it back on track of economic growth and prosperity. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.